Welcome to the first video in the series, where I'll be showcasing 100 unique styles in MidJourney. For this demonstration, I've kept things simple, using just a single dot as the prompt, followed by some parameters and the style number. My goal was to let the styles speak for themselves without any influence from a text prompt, making this the purest way to see each style in action. MidJourney team recently introduced the possibility of applying style parameters to our prompts, and there are over 4 billion different styles. In this video, each style is identified by a number ranging from 0 to 99. I've added some made-up names for these styles, which should give at least a basic idea of what each style represents. However, keep in mind that these names don't actually match the styles when used as keywords. You do not need to copy any of these parameters, except of the style number. The rest is only for the purpose of this video. --AR or aspect ratio is set to 16:9, simply because it looks better on YouTube. --seed 555. The seed number is often used to ensure consistency in results. Normally, the seed number can be any random value from over 4 billion possibilities. However, setting it to a fixed number, as I typically do, helps eliminate one random variable. This way, I can be certain that any changes in the output are due to the modification I make in the prompt, rather than other unpredictable factors. Keep in mind you don't need to use the same seed number or any fixed seed in your own prompts. If you're curious to see how these styles look without a fixed seed, I've created YouTube shorts featuring the same prompt and style numbers, but without the seed. You can check them out on my channel under shorts or find the link in the description below. Now, let's jump into the styles. And that's all 100 styles. I hope you found some inspiration. I love to hear which styles you like the most. Drop a comment below and let me know your favorites. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content like this, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.